are pleased to offer for sale a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity here on the enchanting island of Ometepe in Lake Nicaragua. One of Nicaragua's best-known eco-destinations, Ometepe was recently designated by UNESCO as a biosphere reserve, affording it the highest degree of protection offered only to the world's most ecologically significant places. Stunning views of both volcanoes, La Concepcion and La Madera, the monastery spans 19 manzanas of land, including 300 meters of directly accessible lakefront property. The construction of the buildings and facilities on the property was completed in 1996 and includes 4 residential buildings and 1 large meeting hall or former chapel. In total, there are 11 bedrooms and 7 guest bathrooms, and in its current configuration, the monastery can house up to 32 guests. The property is fenced and cross-fenced, boasting a rich variety of mature and producing fruit trees, along with a significant neem plantation housing nearly 1,000 neem trees. Its 19 manzanas of level land are perfect for agricultural production, with a combination of Mulato dos and Secate Estrella grasses, ideal for grazing animals. Guests and residents enjoy direct access to the beach from along 300 meters of lakefront land. We are next door to one of the finest privately held pre-Columbian museums in Central America. The surrounding community is comprised of a ready, willing, and able workforce with wages that would range from $5 to $10 a day. Additionally, no relocation would be required of families in the community if this land were to be repurposed for a large tourism project. The neighboring property, which is more than double the size, is also for sale, and these 2 properties could potentially be purchased together as a package. An ideal place to offer a wide range of activities, lending itself to multiple uses on one of Nicaragua's best-known tourist destinations. Ometepe is part of the triangle of tourism that includes Granada and San Juan del Sur. All 3 of these locations are within an hour's drive of each other on some of the country's best roadways. At least 16 boats and ferries provide easy access to the island daily, in addition to easy year-round bicycle and motorcycle access on paved roads. The last 2 kilometers to the lakefront is a level dirt road. We are a 10-minute ride to the ferry port at San Jose, a 20-minute ride to the principal port in Moyogalpa, and approximately 5 kilometers from the newly constructed international airport.
Luego vendrán los celos del cariño de aquel volcán de llama tentadora.